The DJI Mini 5 Pro is the epitome of drone technology, offering a perfect blend of power, portability, and advanced features. As the latest addition to DJI's renowned Mini series, this drone is designed to cater to both novice and seasoned pilots. Its compact size and lightweight design make it incredibly easy to carry and operate, making it ideal for on-the-go adventures. Equipped with a high-resolution camera capable of capturing stunning aerial footage, the Mini 5 Pro delivers exceptional image quality. Its advanced features, such as obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight modes, ensure safe and effortless operation. Whether you're a hobbyist seeking breathtaking aerial photography or a professional looking for a reliable tool for content creation, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is sure to exceed your expectations. Based on current industry buzz, a highly anticipated drone is slated for a November 2024 or early 2025 launch. This cutting-edge device is expected to redefine aerial photography and videography with its exceptional camera capabilities. A standout feature is its 1-inch sensor camera, capable of capturing stunning 4K resolution footage at a smooth 60 frames per second. However, the most exciting rumor circulating among enthusiasts is the potential for a 5.1K sensor upgrade. This would unlock an unprecedented 4K resolution at an astonishing 120 frames per second, delivering incredibly fluid and detailed footage. To complement its impressive camera, the drone is designed for extended flight times, reaching up to 40 minutes on a single charge. Advanced sensors will enable it to intelligently detect and avoid obstacles, ensuring safe and reliable operation. Additionally, a suite of intelligent flight modes, including active track, quick shots, and master shots, will empower users to capture cinematic aerial footage with ease. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a remarkable mini drone that sets a new standard for performance and portability. Its 1-inch sensor camera, capable of capturing stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, delivers exceptional image quality even in low-light conditions. Advanced features like time-lapse and hyperlapse allow for creative storytelling, while sophisticated panorama stitching creates breathtaking panoramic shots. Seamless integration with other DJI products ensures a cohesive ecosystem for drone enthusiasts. Bold Stack. Bold Stack's attempt to be visually striking can unfortunately come across as overwhelming. Its busy layout, filled with numerous elements in contrasting colors, can be distracting and difficult to navigate. While it may appeal to those who prefer a more dynamic design, it might not be the best choice for those seeking a minimalist approach. The Garmin Fenix 8's deep-sea theme offers a visually captivating underwater experience, but its design choices can present readability challenges in certain lighting conditions. The intricate details and dark color palette, while visually appealing, may make it difficult to discern information clearly in low-light environments. One of the standout features of the Garmin Fenix 8 is its extensive customization options, allowing you to personalize your watch faces to match your style. You have the freedom to modify colors and fonts, and even add or remove elements, resulting in a truly unique and personalized timepiece. This level of customization empowers you to create a watch that perfectly reflects your aesthetic preferences. The Garmin Fenix 8 boasts a rich array of watch faces, catering to diverse tastes and styles. Some faces were undeniably impressive, offering visually striking designs and clear, legible information. However, others felt somewhat lackluster, with room for improvement in terms of aesthetics and functionality. The watch's customization options allow users to personalize their timepieces, ensuring that they always find a face that aligns with their unique preferences and lifestyles. This flexibility is a standout feature that enhances the overall user experience.